Hello friends, most welcome in series Gupta classes. Today my talk of town is how to speak English or how to speak fluent English or correct English. Dear friends, nobody can speak English by collecting so many literature available in the market and so many speaking course and so many YouTube channels, social sites, so on other things. Then how can we speak it? Definitely there are some tips points which should be followed. We have heard the quotation or statement that many a little makes a mickle. Means practice makes a man perfect. By practice and by gradual understanding, accommodation, assimilation and so many other things. One should not be embarrassed by barriers, obstacles, boundaries in the way of talking English. Suppose I am going to converse towards a person, whether in the market, stand, grocery, malls, theaters and other things. I am in great confusion how to talk and how much to talk. No need of botheration these things. You should talk to him without any hesitation. Give up your shyness, hesitation. These things should be put into a dustbin. And you should start with the raw material, whatever matters you have in your memory power, brain and vocabs. Foremost factor is vocabs, means you should have a glossary, vocabulary, that are the material which will enable you to speak English. Suppose you are in mood of speaking someone in the classroom. Let us start. Hello, how are you? What's your name? What about you? It will surely give you a positive answer. Suppose I wake up in the morning, I am in the mood of speaking someone. Where is my brush? Where is my tiffin? Ask yourself. Surely it is increasing your vocabulary. And whenever you get time, consult dictionary. There are so many dictionary in the YouTube channel. Try to raise new words every day. Whenever you get time, consult new word. These words, they will inculcate your positive thoughts, your mind setup. Surely it will increase your confidence. Confidence in the work that you have undertaken. Confidence in the work that you are going to complete. If there is no confidence, you can never learn English, however you are rich, prosperous. In the line of learning, in the process of speaking, never think about grammatical fault, mistake, error. Never think, never botheration about it. Mostly people, they are confused. What is present indefinite? What is past indefinite? In which indefinite do I ask him? Is MR plus ing? Was were plus third form? Dear friends, give up all this doubt, suspicion. They should be given aside and ask. Ask and give answer. Sometime you are inquiring, another time you are commanding, another time you are advising, requesting. All these possible if you have solid vocabulary. Our poverty means poverty of mind, grammar. Our poverty can't crush in the way of speaking English. Suppose I want to sip tea. I don't know the sense of pouring. Please pour tea in my kettle. Pour tea in my cup. And pouring is missed by us. You should say, please drop tea in my cup. It will do. And after that, you will think about what is the another meaning of pouring, dropping. Suppose you are in the market. You want to say something, give me a cheap pen. And surely when you say, give me a cheap pen, cheap copy, the person beside you will guess what is cheap. Cheap is but natural, common things. And if you are rich in vocabs, powerful in vocabs, you will say, please give me pocket friendly pen. Pocket friendly pen. Surely you will feel pride. Pocket friendly is synonym of cheap. And you will be strong in vocabs without feeling inferiority the person beside you. Another places, suppose you are coming out from a latest movie. People ask, how was the movie? What do you think about it? Plot, dialogue, hero. Wonderful. It was best historical movie. I like it. Scene, imagery, everything was good. And if you have powerful vocabulary, you should say movie was swashbuckling. Swashbuckling means all those qualities that a movie requires. Surely your vocabs will leave lasting impression on your personality. Another thing, be confident. Have a sound personality, tone, manner, body language. Body language, they give the much more help in speaking manner. Most sentences are completed by body language. How does he saying? Posture, intonation. These things will make your rough material into spice one. And then your confidence level will grow day by day. Dear friends, it is the secret of speaking English, and no book, no competition, no speaking course, no social site, no fake news that learn English within 90 days. Nobody can learn you. Nobody can enable you to learn without making your progress, proper progress. Thank you very much.